What's the meaning of Aventis? Aventis. Aventis.
Aventis. Aventis. Aventis was a multinational pharmaceutical company that was formed in 1999 through the merger of Hoechst AG and Rhône-Poulenc SA. The company was based in Strasbourg, France, and had operations in over 100 countries worldwide. Aventis focused on the development and manufacturing of pharmaceutical products, including prescription drugs, vaccines, and animal health products. In 2004, Aventis was acquired by Sanofi Synthélabo to become Sanofi Aventis, which is now known as Sanofi. The merger created one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world at the time.